Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. I share with you this website right now. I share with you the best ways so you can earn much more cryptocurrency and the withdrawal proof from this website to this website pay you or not. Okay, first of all, click register. You can, if you new in this website, put your Gmail address, put your password, repeat the password, solve the captcha, and just click sign up. You can make an account and go to verify your account or Gmail account. Okay, just I put my email and password. I put solve a captcha and just click sign in. Right now you can see this much balance I have in my account. I show you the best way earning. The best way earning is a PTC ads and window ads, and if you want to make much more amount of the cryptocurrency, the coin, you can complete the short links. The next way is a faucet. You complete the faucet. Faucet is a best way because have a much more ways to you can make it, because it's no limit. Every 2 hours this will be automatically update the limit of the time you can claim, and this much coin pay you. It's too easy. Just solve this captcha is a 715 and then solve the captcha is a cap. Come down and just click your reward, and you can see that you can click your reward, and after 1 minute you come back and claim again. The next way is the quiz. You can complete the quiz, and right now I share with you the withdrawal proof. This website pay you in Coinbase and faucetpay. Okay, right now in the faucetpay it didn't have any balance, but this website pay you 100%. You can paste, you put your faucetpay or Coinbase email address in here, and you can withdraw your amount. Right now I click Litecoin. Maybe this website pay me or not. I just click withdraw. You can see this website has been sent my Satoshi to Litecoin. I didn't have any coin. And right now in here you can see I earned this much Litecoin from that website. That website pay me my Litecoin instantly to my faucet pay. This website link available in description, and come join this website and start earning. Bye bye for now.